class with Dr. Azari, I'm sure he keeps on asking this question, right? What's the difference between conceptual framework, research framework, and theoretical framework? Please be clear on that. Okay, right? So, okay, methodology settled. Finish, eh? Alright, now we go to chapter 4 and 5. Okay. Chapter 4 and 5. Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm referring to our questionnaire. I'm reading from
Quantitative. Okay.
So normally when we design questionnaire, of course we based on the objective.
Right.
And then how can we ensure that we can achieve that objective, either we adopt or adopt the questionnaire? So how long actually
the questionnaire?
The questionnaire in terms of numbers that suit.
Actually, there's no definite number. But of course, if you do an adaptation, my suggestion is not to cut the original. You take, as comprehensive as possible. Because the procurement always asks this: if you want to cut, you must make sure that you are just these items that you deleted are actually just pimple, so even when you take out the pimple, it won't affect the face, right? So if the items are pimples, then it's okay, meaning that the item is still valid and reliable in terms of measuring the variables that you are doing. But if you cut the fingers, then it's problematic. So that's why, if you ask me, if possible, I will try not to sort of like cut short some of the original items in the instruments that you are adapting, so that you can really defend that this is very comprehensive in terms of measuring. The exact number I cannot say, but I would say that it depends on which instrument that you are adopting, and if possible, try to take everything rather than deciding to cut and why not, because you are going to face this question of weightage, whether the items are enough to measure what you are trying to measure. So, if possible, try to make it comprehensive. That's fine.
Take it all.
Excellent. Yes.
Meaning take it all from the.
Take it all. Even though you are combining from various instruments, right? If possible, take it all. Unless you find an abridged version that is validated, and deemed as reliable, then you declare that in the methodology chapter. For example, like some of my students, they're doing research on positive youth development under this person called Learner. He himself introduced two versions, the longer version and the short version. So this is when you have the option of choosing which one, because according to him, even the shorter version would be enough to measure PYD. But if you want to measure it more comprehensively, you use the longer version. So it depends on you as the researcher, which version you want to use. Okay?
Doctor,
yep.
Some say that we need permission from the owners of the instrument.
Yes, you just email them. If you are lucky, they will respond to you. If you are not lucky, they do not respond. As far as we know as examiners, you have done your responsibility. You have contacted them. You have the evidence attached at the back of your thesis that you have asked for the approval or informed the owner. Because some owner, they are clever. Yes, you may use $1 for each instrument. But at the end of the day, you must contact them. You must put effort to contact them.
So
yes.
The print screen of the email will do?
Yes, put as attachment. Have you contacted the original developer? Yes, it is in the appendix. Bonus if the person, thank you very much, please use it. That's bonus lah. Yes, Satosh.
Dr. Smith, like for example, the instrument that I've selected, I've actually emailed, I got a response from that.
I got
a response that he said you are able to, but he needs the data for his record because he's compiling on my topic. He's compiling the entire world. He says so. Is it possible? Do I have to get permission from UPM to give the data, or shall I just give it to him? Because that was the criteria that I have to do.
Okay. To respond to that, of course you refer to your supervisors, but I would say that highlight this at the ethics committee. So now we have our university ethics committee that can really advise you in terms of the sharing of the data. Because remember, when you submit your thesis later on, you have one section where you have to declare whether the data can be used for other purposes or just for the purpose of the thesis. So to respond to your question, might as well, have you talked to Dr. Zora about this?
Yeah.
What did she say?
Since this particular scholar, he is doing this to all the people who are actually requesting to use his instrument, so she said it's okay.
Okay to do what?
I mean, we can give data to
To share.
To share, but then if
Yeah,
you're
but
talking
still it's good if you can just inform, our ethics committee that maybe eventually you become one of his or her, co-researchers.